Hey everybody, welcome back to Games and Grills. Chris here, and if you've been following me on social media the last little bit, you've seen that my awesome wife got me a limited edition red Weber Kettle for Christmas. It's awesome, I loved it. It's exactly what I wanted, so I was super excited when I opened that up on Christmas morning. And today, I'm doing my first cook on it. I've got some great rib steaks. We'll see how those turn out, so stick around. The marinade I used for the steaks is pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. First, we need 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, a third of a cup of your favorite whiskey, that's perfect. Next, half a cup of brown sugar. It calls for 2 tablespoons of, or teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm just going to use 2 cloves because we like garlic. Just use it in our garlic press. The great thing about this press is you don't have to worry about peeling the garlic ahead of time. There we go. And we're also going to add in a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Not too much, just a little bit. And then our final piece is just a little bit of sesame oil. Not much because that stuff is overpowering. And then get in there, mix it up. I'll make sure I put this recipe down in the description box below. Like I said, it's super simple. That should do it. Next step is to put the steaks into your food marinator of choice. Not everyone has one. That's okay. You can just put the steaks into a baggie and dump the marinade in with the bag. And then I'm just going to dump the marinade over top of the steaks. There, it's that simple. Let them sit for a few hours, then we'll get them on the grill.
So here's the deal. It's December and we live in Midwestern Ontario in the snow belt. The last few days we have gotten nothing but snow. And more snow. So before Chris can even think about starting to put out his brand new barbecue, he's got to shovel the upper portion of our deck. Good thing he doesn't have to shovel the lower portion because that even has more snow. But right now, here he is shoveling away. How is it, Chris?
Terrible.
Terrible?
Yellow snow.
Yellow snow, lovely. Oh, and there's the smoker. Oh, you see that won't be used anytime soon. And here's the barbecue I suggested we do dinner on tonight, but he wants to shovel a place for his new barbecue. Oh, have fun, Chris.
Oh, I'm going to. Okay, charcoal is ready to go. I got a full chimney of lump charcoal because I had no briquettes, so we'll see how the lump does here, but there we go. That should do it. Just want to right on. Lid. Alright, and we'll let her come up to temp. Stick around. We are ready to get these steaks on. As you can see, there's a couple of bacon wrapped chicken tornadoes on there for the kids. So I'm going to try and do a reverse sear on these steaks as best I can. We'll see. Just have them sitting on there. I've added a little bit more charcoal, so we'll speed things up a little bit, but that's how things look so far. Alright, let's take a quick look and see how things are looking so far. Alright. I can't see anything because my glasses fog up every time I move the lid. Well, there's how things are looking so far. Steaks are coming along good. Chicken's coming along good. Move these a little bit more directly over the coals, because those steaks are going to be ready to get seared pretty soon. Alright, things are looking good. Okay, so I've seared the steaks on one side. We'll flip them over and get them seared on the other. Wow, there's quite the color on those. Alright, just a few more seconds and we'll pull them off. Alright, these steaks are done and seared. The chicken looks to be done. We're going to get these on a plate and get them inside, and we'll cut into those steaks to see how they look. Okay, the steak is done. We've brought it in, and now we'll cut her open to see if I overcooked it horribly or what. Not too bad. There's a little bit of pink in there.
From the look on his face, he is nodding and looking very impressed with himself. He's got a tiny smile that says, "Oh, I did that steak A-okay."
Yep, a little overdone, but the flavor is awesome. I don't think I've ever had a steak done on charcoal before.
It is excellent.
Thank you. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time.